Hey guys, Liam from Killer Ink here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Spektra Xion. The Xion is a pen-style rotary that was a result of over 3 years of research and development from the great minds at FK Irons. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As you can clearly see, the Spektra Xion is a pen-style, cartridge-dedicated rotary machine that is both lightweight and ergonomic, allowing for optimal manoeuvrability. It's the kind of machine that artists will be able to use over long sessions, and that is down to how it was developed and tested alongside artists from around the world. Powering the Xion is a specially designed 6-watt MotorBolt that ensures optimal performance of your cartridges by providing them maximum torque throughout the session. In addition, the RCA connection is concealed within the MotorBolt for extra protection. Not only is the seamless grip ergonomic, it is also autoclavable and tapers from 25 to 32mm. You can use any and all cartridges with the grip, and it is also easy to cover and handle. Depending on your preferences, you can set up the Spektra Xion however you like it, thanks to its adjustable needle depth, stroke length and give. Simply turn a dial to adjust the give up to 2mm, while you just need to turn the click grip to adjust the needle depth. The stroke length can be adjusted via the included 3.2 and 3.7mm stroke wheels. Being fully adjustable means that the Xion gives you complete control over your machine, therefore making it suitable for a wide range of tattooing styles. The Spektra Xion is available to order from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So, what do you think of the Spektra Xion? Will it be your next tattoo machine? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.